Now at this time, we're going to talk about how we're going to put this system onto a Rogator chassis. We have this system free of its transport cart. We have a Rogator chassis without a system on it. We're going to bring the two together. We're going to go over how to tie this system down onto the chassis, hook up the electrical and the hydraulics to have this machine ready to go out to the field. Now once I got the chassis set down on the frame rails, I'm going to route the hydraulic lines over the frame rail back underneath the machine, and then we're going to go around and we're going to secure the 4 attaching points. Now in tightening down the front hold downs with the spring, we want to compress the spring down so there's about just less than 1/4 inch between the coils. And once we get to that measurement, you'll set the lock nut down on top of it. Now with all 4 of our system tied down secure, we can safely go ahead and disconnect the box from our overhead hoist. Our next step in the installation process is to reinstall the hydraulics. Our first step is to remove the blocking plate on the back of the tandem pumps. After that, we'll be able to reinstall our hydraulic system pump and then attach the hoses. Now after we've reattached the hoses, we're going to come back, we're going to open up the suction gate valve. After we've opened it, make sure you use a plastic wire tie to secure the handle in the open position so it will not accidentally close while we're out running in the field. At this time, it's good to take a look and check your hydraulic oil levels, both on the system tank and on the main chassis tank. Make sure and replace anything that we may have lost. Now with the hydraulic lines back in place, now's a good time to take a look and see if we need to add any hose protection to the hydraulic hoses. Take a look around the frame rail and anywhere hoses may be crossing each other and add in proper protection. We're going to go to the other side of the machine. We're going to reinstall the electrical harness connecting the chassis and the system.
Go ahead.
Our next step, we're going to attach the pressure line to the rear pump. Now with the pressure line attached, we can go ahead and make the connection to the control valve on the right-hand side of the box. Now with the suction line attached to the pump, we'll make the connection to the hydraulic reservoir. The final step in the hydraulic installation, we're going to make the connection for the pressure hose to the control valve. In the dry system installed, we need to reinstall the handrail.